What's going on, crew? Over here at the Lake Jackson boat ramp, got another epic review for you all. Today we'll be reviewing this 2013 Chevy Spark. This cool color, I don't even know what it is, but it looks good, right? So we'll go over the exterior, the interior, and then take it out for a spin, see what it's all about. Three letters that describe this thing in my book: MPG, miles per gallon. I know it gets good gas mileage. If you're looking for a fuel saver, check this one out at ALH Automotive LLC in the Lake Jackson area of Tallahassee, Florida. Lake Jackson, Chevy Spark. Lake Jackson, Chevy Spark. Y'all hang tight. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go over this exterior. The thing that sticks out the most to me is this color. It's like a greenish. So first thing, this thing's pretty sporty. It's compact, but plenty of room on the interior. I'll let y'all see that here in a minute when I go over the interior. Plenty of room in there, plenty of headroom, plenty of leg room. I was impressed with that. And it's got a little style to it. So you got the fog lights down there at the bottom, as y'all can see. Nice touches right there. Halogen headlights. Chevy emblem on the hood. Nice touches all the way around. Got these cool roof rails too. Check that out. That's a nice touch right there for you all. Come around here to the back. Get your turn signals. It's got this cool tailpipe. I like how it's like inset to the rear bumper. That looks pretty cool. Got a little hatch back there. Nice turn signals. Good looking wheels right here as well. Y'all hang tight. We're gonna get into this interior, and then, like I said, after that, we'll take it for a spin. What y'all think? I'll have the dealership information and the inventory information on this Chevy Spark down in the description. Y'all hang tight. All right, crew, let's take a look at the interior on this Chevy Spark. First things first, I like these colored panels here that match the exterior paint. That's a cool touch all throughout the interior. Down here, dashboard area, nice touches. Got these leather seats in here, look really good. Manual adjustments, but that's okay. Simple. There's your gauge cluster with a digital tachometer. There's your screen right there. Nice touches, right? Once again, EPA, MPG, all that good stuff, right? Miles per gallon. Gas mileage is the highlight of this vehicle, but this styling is pretty cool as well. Let's check out the back seat, y'all. Here's the back seat. Once again, leather wrapped seating surfaces look really good. Got a cup holder and storage area right there. Another cup holder down there. Nice touches, right? What y'all think? Let's check out the cargo area. Let's go. All right, so here's the cargo area behind the seats here. Got plenty of room. You can fold these seats down as well. 60-40 split, as y'all can see. You have some speakers back here on both sides. It is a manually operated tailgate, but cool touches. I really like that color. It looks really good. Here's another look of the rear passenger compartment from the passenger side. Cool touches. We'll go more in depth of the features and up front and everything once I get ready to take it for a test drive. Just wanted to give you a visual preview. Y'all hang tight. And here is the view from the passenger side of this green ride. Some storage right there. Y'all hang tight. Let's take this thing for a spin, give you a virtual test drive perspective on it, and go over some more of the features and all that good stuff, and we'll go from there. Y'all hang tight. The green machine. All right, crew, we're gonna take this Chevy Spark 2013, the Green Machine, out for a test drive. Give y'all a virtual test drive on it and kind of go from there. So first things first, another one with a key. Yes, 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 keys are still a thing. So here's the key fob. You do have lock, unlock, and a panic alarm. It's pretty basic, nice weighted feel to it. Put the key in the ignition. She comes to life. Pretty cool touches in here. I love this green trim all the way around, matches the exterior paint. That looks really, really cool. These leather seats are really comfortable. So first things first, you look ahead here. Basic, but functional. You do have your cruise control stuff here on the left side. You do have your Bluetooth phone stuff here on the right side. You got some volume buttons back here on the back side of the steering wheel. Small diameter steering wheel, but it fits the car. I mean, it's a small compact car. You got speakers up here on the dash cover. You got your AC vents with multiple adjustments. Pretty cool touches there. You have your window control, your mirror controls to adjust your mirrors right up here. You do have your window controls here on the door panel. Once again, that green trim is everywhere, and all your map pockets, cup pockets, everywhere. And this gauge cluster, pretty cool. You do have up and down adjustments to the steering column. But this thing kind of reminds me of the Mini Cooper, but I know the Mini Coopers are right here in the center, but it's got that bezel look to it. Looks pretty cool. Over here on the right side is a digital gauge, so it catches all your RPMs, your miles to the gallon, 25.7, and I've had it running pretty much the whole review and photo shoot, so even at idle, still getting about 26 miles to the gallon. Cool touches right there. You do have this infotainment screen right here in the middle. Nice touches all the way around. Got your AC controls. This the old school type with the turn button, so once again, simple. You do have heated seats up here in the front. You got USB port right there. You have a charging plug right there, dual cup holders, another storage bin right there, the gear shifters right here. It's got the old school pull-up parking brake and another cup holder here at the back of the parking brake center console area, because you only got one in the back there. So there's two, right? You have your little captain's chair arm rest thing, pretty cool. I really like this paint scheme that's in the interior and on the exterior. So once again, low vibration from the engine, pretty cool touches all the way around. And here we go, gonna take it out for a spin, a spin. Yes sir. Chevy Spark. Will this add spark to your lifestyle? I hope so. Once again, it's over here at ALH Automotive LLC in the Lake Jackson area, Tallahassee, Florida. We're gonna get ready to take this thing out for a spin and kind of see what it's all about and kind of go from there. Y'all hang tight. For as compact as the exterior is, I have plenty of headroom up here, plenty of leg room up front. Cool touches. There it goes. All right. Have no fear. Chevy Spark is here. So it's not an acceleration monster, but you will get those MPGs, and the EPA loves this car because it doesn't burn much gas, right? Got nice firm feel to the steering. Feels good, feels planted. A little breezy out today, but it doesn't feel tipsy-ish, so it's pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a brake test right up here and a turn circle test, which I'm pretty sure this thing will spin around pretty easily for y'all, for us. Here we go. Traffic. Yeah, it's cool. I really got to figure out what color this is, what the actual name of it. I'm sure it's pretty like mint green or something. So here's the turn circle test. It turns in one lane. So like I said, you don't buy this for acceleration, you buy this for economy. Listen to that. So you do hear, you know, the mechanical noise, but it's not overbearing. low wind noise, not much tire noise. So these new cars, no matter what class they're in, from economy to performance to all of these different categories, these cars are very much well isolated from the road these days, and this one's not an exception. So just think of it, man. Everybody gonna see you. You can't hide. This color sticks out. Sometimes it's good to blend in, and sometimes you're just gonna stick out. That's life. I like this digital tachometer thing. It's pretty cool. And it seems like it's spot on. As soon as you hit the gas, it moves. I'm sure it's accurate as it can be. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna spin it back around and wrap this one up. What do y'all think? How y'all feel about these Chevy Sparks? We do them all. We do them all. All right, here we go. Turn circle test. Watch this. Watch how sharp this turns. That's a turn circle right there. You definitely hear that engine roaring the light. Sound like Scooby-Doo. So as we wrap this up, if you're looking for a pretty cool economy car with plenty of space on the inside, check out this Chevy Spark. Pretty cool stuff here. Thanks for watching.